What's going on, everybody? It's your boy BT. Welcome back to the channel. I got a nice little Amazon package here that I want to go through. It's a nice little detailing pack. It's got 26 pieces in it, and we're going to go through each one of those components and see what's in that package, so let's get right to it. All right, so here it is. Here is everything that we've got in the package, so let's just get right to the first item we have here. A nice, soft bristle brush. You can use this to clean up those dirty rims, but this feels pretty good. Doesn't feel like we're gonna get anything damaged by using this particular product. All right, next up we got a pack of brushes. So we've got 5 pieces in here, and as you can see, you can use these while detailing to get into some of those harder to reach areas, to kind of clean out different crevices and what have you. So there are 5 of these, and there are various sizes within that package. All right, next up we've got this little, we got 2 of these. We've got 2 of these little microfiber cloths. So 2 of those in the pack, and they do come with little hangers here so you can kind of hang them up. So you can see here, this little detailing attachment is a game changer. This is something I used to do by hand with a brush, but now I'm able to quickly get through it with this nice automated way. And as you can see for yourself, the dirt's, it's all gone. So with the application of this brush, you can see here that I'm able to use this brush to really get into the grooves and into the crevices here on this Acura grill. There are a lot of different spots that you want to get nice and clean, so this brush with its nice soft bristles allows to really get in there and give this car a nice clean detail. Can't wait to use these brushes throughout the detailing process. So as you can see here, this is a pretty nice set. It's got a lot of different various components that can be utilized to make your detailing life a lot easier. I definitely am in love with this. This definitely takes off a ton of time from cleaning those all-weather mats, so that is a great win right there. And I know I'll definitely be using a lot more of these brushes and the vent cleaning system. I'm going to be using all of this. This is all great stuff, and more so, the price is fantastic. It's your boy BT. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.